I remember it was a weekend and my husband came. I was doing my homework. I was so busy. And he asked me, "You want to go to the mall?" And it was just like quiet reply, no reply at all, basically. I was still focused on my homework. And after like a couple of seconds, I just nodded, indicating that I wanted to go to the mall. And after that, I didn't get up until like at least 30 minutes before I started getting ready. So I got up, I went to our bedroom because, for me to get a shower. And I found my husband there watching TV and I said, "Aren't we going to the mall?" And then he said, "Yeah, but I know that you're busy and you're not into it because I know you." That's just what he told me. I'm actually a kind of person that when you ask me to go to the mall, without a blink of an eye, I would be like, "Yeah, let's go." And at that point, he understood that, I was so busy. I was really not into it, to be honest, because I really have to finish my homework. Hi, my name is Marianne Quintana. Today is December 1st, 2019, and we're now on week 5 on for our COM 105. I'm here to discuss about nonverbal communication, the importance of it, the examples of nonverbal communication, and I will also be talking about eye contact. Nonverbal communication, according to um, Graham Speechley, listen with your eyes as well as your ears. When we talk to our peers or when we talk to our family or any stranger, sometimes it's best or it's better to talk to them and look at the way they talk, the tone of their voice, the way they move their eyes or look into the eye, just for example. And that's one way of verbalizing with nonverbal communication. Exactly, no words. You just look into their eye and everything.